igere etakere koba by the county government to ECT teachers, county public service board nero kutangaza mabaga kare nidiere barore ngamba takere kolika. The national government nero nebwata abalimu ekwemploy party TS. Lakini barabundo ba teachers service commission. Ekwemploy teachers. Epodi yega emiaka ya kale kochakira 2000 mojagara mwaka 2000 gochimaega ngoli kabale nge teachers by merit subject need ne miaka age pono karoto ika 2003 gocha igoro amangana yigasira members of parliament were given priority agotebanga balimu mbatakere kolikwa nini mutangetia maruba 5 mutanganjire tindi kabali muteni tekonyarikana bona balumba aba members bakaye kubonsi nande serikali ekaba serikali ya 2023 onwards paka yero boniga bakaba bakulika balimu wetera abajumba abayiga TSC ekaba bosa etabwati powers TSC but powers to replace only.
Yes.
Bakachaka kulika abantu bali friendly to the government amaruba kanda baka state house abantu baya bageru barangiri ku state house bitabyese kero mwalimu atabunga you have been given forms irira balimu bekenyoro kyao oleta balimu 20 abajumbe bayikaiga ba GPA cyaba marubali baba daisaba to 400 guse 200 abantu bange ako changiwa ko nimegondo kogora marubali abale batabuga ati bali bataka ba qualified mbati garanka omonto I want to tell you mwalimu 2014 P1 teacher taralikwa mabalenka iga ande mbanyo mete mbagwata na abana no bali they have not been employed so ya bono nakikeli nagotabinga members of parliament TSC boniga teribu ati kendera tangaza nga for employment. There are opportunities. It's just called as a competitive employment. They go to their sub-counties, our youths will be employed genuinely. Lakini because of members of parliament, babuga amaruba bakwera space chi employment, bakora, our youths will serve. Okay, mbali basani babajumba abu, ebaraba bisa. Na inde ne government ya divided leaders. Those who are against the government, mbali kwa umaruve.
Okay.